Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And in this menu, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have this edit icon under them. You can tap on this edit icon to edit the watch face. Come on, okay. And what you can edit is basically the widgets. We have 3 widgets on this one. You can tap on widget to change it. Find the widget you like, then tap on second one, change it. You can also swipe, then select the third one, change it. And once you're done, press the upper button to apply the settings. Okay. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So I'm gonna move this to the side, move my phone here, wake up the screen on it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Okay, so let's open the app application. This is the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the profile icon, select your AMAZFIT GTR 3 from the list of devices. Here, tap on the option called Watch Faces. Then tap on the Mine option. And right here you have the list of watch faces on your AMAZFIT GTR 3. Find the watch face you would like to use. Tap on it to select it, and it's gonna be applied on your watch. Like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.